Form 8863 claims education tax credits, the American Opportunity Credit and the Lifetime Learning Credit for college tuition you paid. Let's fill it out. Start with your name and Social Security number as they appear on your return. Part 3 is completed for each student. Enter the student's name and Social Security number. That can be you, your spouse, or a dependent. Here, it's Anna's daughter, Lily. Then the school's name on line 22, and check yes that you received Form 1098-T, the tuition statement the school sends. Your credit is figured from those qualified expenses. Finish Part 3 for each student, and the credit carries up to Parts 1 and 2 and on to your 1040. Click Done to download. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.